Welcome back to Instables, everyone. I hope you guys are having a great Easter Sunday. Again, this is the third day that we celebrate that Christ has risen from the dead for all sins of humanity, for those who call upon him. I just wanted to make sure we do keep that in mind as, again, the market has been very choppy. The world has been creating situations where we seem like there's nothing good to look forward to. I just want to remind us that there is something to look forward to. There is something very, very valuable to look forward to, and that is eternal and true life with Christ who has risen from the dead. So just keeping that in mind. Now, I'm going to go over the S&P 500 with you guys so you guys can see what we're looking for to have a bounce back. And if we do continue on down, what exact level we're looking for to continue on down from. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates every single day that I mentioned throughout the week. Again, if you are a day trader or you're just tired of looking at the market all throughout the day and you'd rather have somebody do it for you, go to instables.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. Now, jumping into the daily chart with you guys here, as you guys can see, we have been looking to see if we can get our 20 moving average to cross back over our 50. We finally do have our 20 crossing back over our 50, where we're looking to see if we can respect it. We had CPI coming in, and we did have a pullback. And as you guys can see, we have been consolidating just above our 50-day moving average, looking to see if we can bounce off of it. We do need a green candle to come out soon, or else we will have a continuation on down. And if we do have a continuation on down, I will be looking to see if we can drop down below 435 if I was playing to the downside. Again, 435 was that level that we were looking to see if we can continue on up from. Now, what we need to happen to have a bounce back here is we do need a strong green candle to come in soon. If we do not get a green candle coming in soon, again, we could have a continuation on down. So we will be looking for that green candle to come in to see if we can start to respect our 20-day moving average. Again, our 20-day moving average is our yellow line. We do want to see if we can start to respect it to get more momentum here. Now, looking at our volume here, as you guys can see, we did get an increase in volume. We have a red doji candle coming out, showing us that we could have a continuation on down. However, we do have our 20 still over our 50, so we can bounce at any point in time. And looking at our MACD here, as you guys can see, we have our EMA line still crossing down here. We were looking to see if we can cross back above, and we are still pointing down. We are going to be looking for a white shaded line coming in soon, so that way we can have a decrease in sell pressure, and we are going to be looking for that increase in buy pressure shortly after that decrease in sell pressure. Again, these white shaded lines do represent a decrease in momentum to the downside, so if we do start getting these white shaded lines, then we could have that decrease in momentum to the downside and a possible bounce here on this 50-day moving average. Again, if we do bounce back above our 20 and we do start to respect it, that would be very bullish, as we do have our 20 over our 50, and if we can get these EMA lines to cross back above, again, we still do have our EMA lines above our MACD. Again, above the median of our MACD, we still are above, so it does show us that we still could continue, as we do see on any stock intraday. Looking for these EMA lines above the MACD to see if we are going to possibly continue is what we look for. So the same thing happening here with the S&P 500. We will be looking to see if we can cross above and get that white shaded line again to get that decrease in momentum to the downside to have that bounce. Now, looking at our RSI here, as you guys can see, we are below the median of our RSI. We are going to be looking to see if we can cross back above it to have more room to run to the upside. However, if we do stay down below it and we do continue on down and we, for example, create lower lows, then we could possibly continue on down for more room to the downside. So we will be watching the RSI as well to see exactly where we have room to run to the upside or the downside. Very key indicator, in my opinion, at this point, as we are just below the median of our RSI. Very key, in my opinion. Now, again, with that said, if you guys are day traders or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, the best breakouts and the most consistent have been intraday, in my opinion. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you instables, again, I hope you guys are having a great Easter weekend. I appreciate every one of you guys, and we will continue to go at it. If the market has a patient day ahead, then we're going to stay patient. If the market has an active day ahead, then we're going to stay active. Just letting the plays come to us is the key here in the market. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.